Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
Is it too dark to sit out on your deck or patio and enjoy the warm spring and summer nights? Would you like to enhance the look of your nighttime yard or garden? Well, if you answered yes, you might want to add some outdoor landscape lighting. Besides improving the look of your home, the landscape lighting can also add safety, security, and provide a perfect spot for outdoor entertaining.
There are many areas where you can use landscape lighting along walkways and driveways, around pools or spas, near a pond, tree, or sculpture, or on walls and fences. You can hire a professional to install an outdoor lighting system, but this project is simple to do yourself with a pre-packaged kit.
Pre-packaged kits come with everything you need, including a transformer, timer, cables, and all the fixtures. They range in price from $15 to over $100 depending on the number of fixtures and what they're made of. Some are metal, some are plastic, and there are several styles to choose from as well. The lights we're installing here are plastic low-voltage lights that use a transformer plugged into a power outlet.
Another option is solar lights. From an energy perspective, they are great because they use zero energy. They come in many styles and you simply push the fixture into the ground to install. And if you change your mind, you just move them. They are generally more expensive than the low voltage lighting kits, and they require direct sunlight for several hours to recharge the photocells during the day.
So let's get started. Now the first step is planning. Decide where you want or need lighting. What objects or areas do you want to highlight? How big is the area? This will help you determine exactly what kind of lights you need and how many.
There are lights designed for every need. As their name suggests, path lights are used to illuminate paths and driveways. Accent lights are used to draw attention to a sculpture, fountain, or tree. Well lights are designed to be buried in the ground and shed focused illumination on trees, shrubs, or exterior walls from below. And floodlights are a good choice for eliminating dark areas around windows and doors. They can also bring out textures in your landscaping by highlighting trees and bushes.
When you're picking out the lights for your home, remember that outdoor wiring must always be grounded. It must also be rated as water resistant, UL approved for outdoor use. Fixtures rated for interior use should never be used outdoors. And before installing your system, remember to call your local one-call service at least 3 days in advance. They'll send someone out to mark the location of any gas, electric, phone, and other buried cables in your yard. We'll give you some additional safety information later on in the show.
Make sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions for your lights because some of them do vary slightly. Regardless of the lights you choose, the installation process involves the following basic steps. First, install the transformer. The transformer is a weatherproof box that converts normal 120 volt house current to the 12 volts required for low voltage landscape lights. The box is easy to mount and usually includes a timer. Hang the power pack and plug it directly into a ground fault circuit interrupter outdoor electrical outlet with a weatherproof cover. If you don't have a ground fault circuit interrupter outlet, the kind with test and reset buttons, don't install low voltage lights. And be sure to turn off electricity to the outlet before you begin installation, and don't ever use an extension cord.
Next, run the cable and lay the lights where you want them to go. This will help ensure you've got enough cable and enough lights to complete the job. A simple sketch or diagram might be helpful.
When you've got everything the way you want it, attach the fixtures to the cable with the connectors provided. Place one connector on each side of the cable and press them together. Prongs inside the connector pierce the cable to make contact with the light fixtures. Then push the light fixture stake in the ground. If you have hard or compacted soil, you can dig a hole or soak the soil with water to soften it. Never use a hammer to force the fixture into the ground.
When all the lights are in place, cover the cable with wood chips or decorative stones, bury it in your garden bed or along the edge of sidewalks and driveways, or simply hide it under bushes or foliage. Be careful not to cut or damage it.
Finally, connect the cable to the transformer and turn on the power pack. If your system has an automatic timer, set it to your desired on and off times. In most cases, dusk to dawn works well for safety and security. Make minor adjustments to your fixtures to produce the desired lighting effect.
This lighting is a great way to provide safety and enhance the comfort of your home. Give it a try.